Hey, this is Ryan with qBraid, and today I'm going to be talking about the qBraid Lab Environment Manager. Every software developer is familiar with the frustrating process of installing new packages for the first time. And after all those environment configurations and install commands have gone through, you might still end up with dependency conflicts or other errors. And this is all time that you've wasted trying to set up and get your program ready to run before you can even work on the program or code that matters. At qBraid, we recognize that the setup and installation procedures associated with the classical stack have nothing to do with actually building and executing Quantum programs. That's why we introduced the qBraid stack into the Quantum developer workflow. In this video, we're going to focus on the classical portion of the qBraid stack, specifically the Lab Environment Manager. In my opinion, this is the best way to install and manage Quantum software, and it's available on qBraid in the cloud for free. So here we are on lab.qbraid.com. This is our cloud-based platform / IDE that's highly optimized for Quantum software development. Over here on the right sidebar, under the M's tab, is the Environment Manager. Each of these panels is one of my installed environments. Most of them are Python and virtual environments, but we also have a Q# environment, which can be used to run code with the Microsoft QDK. Each of the environments that say active, you'll notice has an associated IPyKernel, which can be used to open a new Jupyter notebook initialized using that virtual environment. So I've opened a Qiskit notebook, and now I can import Qiskit and get started running code using that SDK. To add a new environment, I just click Add and see a full list of different environments that would be available to be installed. For instance, if I wanted to install Amazon Braket, I could go here, maybe look at a few of the tags that describe it, read a short description of the environment. I could even click more and pull up a full pip list of the packages that will be installed when I install this environment. If I click Install and then go back to Browse Environments, now I'll see that the Amazon Braket environment is being installed. These flags are a way to sort your favorite environments. So for instance, they can be moved up and down in order as you favorite and unfavorite them. And one other way to kind of keep track of your package versioning under the More tab is in the bottom left here, where you can check to see if an updated version of the specific environment is available. So for instance, we can look here under the qBraid SDK and see that a new version is available, whereas if we were to open the Qiskit environment, for instance, we'd notice that we're here up to date with the latest version. We can even search through the supported packages to find the different Qiskit installs or other package installs that might be relevant to my project. Once the Amazon Braket environment has finished installing, which it has, we can discard this notebook, activate the Amazon Braket kernel, open a new Jupyter notebook with Braket, and import Braket to get started coding with the Amazon Braket SDK right away. To uninstall an environment, all you have to do is open the panel, click the More tab, and then click the Uninstall button. That'll remove the environment from your environment list and also remove its associated IPyKernel in your launcher. This system is a huge enhancement to the Quantum developer's workflow, and that your packages are guaranteed to work out of the box. You don't have to worry about the overhead of version conflicts or tedious installation procedures. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial with the qBraid Lab Environment Manager, and I'll see you in the next video.